Now let us prove some more questions using identities. Okay, the first question is prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now here let us see the right hand side. Here it is in terms of sec and cosec theta. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So let us convert all these expression into sine and cos. Tan in terms of sine and cos, cot also in terms of sine and cos. You all know what is tan theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Okay, let us substitute now. We have LHS of the equation as tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now here we converted tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, cot theta as cos theta by sin theta, and here cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta, tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. Now again it is equal to sin theta by cos theta whole divided by, now simplify the denominator, 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 into cos theta is cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now let us solve this. Here we are dividing a rational expression by another rational expression. So, or when you divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to take the reciprocal of the and multiply with the numerator. So let us do here sin theta by cos theta into reciprocal of this denominator, that is, this is the dividend here. So the reciprocal of this expression is sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into reciprocal of this expression is cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now does sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now again we simplify. This is two rational expression different, that is sin square by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here again we'll do the cross multiplication. Again here we have the denominator as cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta. If you take a minus negative sign from this expressions, it will be of this form. Okay, that is cos theta minus sin theta can be written as minus of sin theta minus cos theta. So let us write like that. Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into minus of sin theta minus cos theta. Minus of sin theta minus cos theta is minus sin theta, minus into minus plus cos theta. So again it will be cos theta minus sin theta. So this negative sign we can apply here. That is, the equation will be, or the expression can be written as sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. It will be minus cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now we do cross multiplication again. We get sin cube theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta into sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by product of the denominator is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta the whole square. Because sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, that is sin theta minus cos theta the whole square, that is equal to, now we can see sin theta minus cos theta is common. So let us take that common, sin theta minus cos theta into sin cube theta minus cos cube theta whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta the whole square. I can cancel one sin theta minus cos theta from here. That is sin theta minus cos theta here, sin theta minus cos theta the whole square here. So let us simplify the equation as expression as sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now we can apply in the numerator, that is, this is in the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a cube minus b cube can be factorized as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So using the same expression, we can simplify this as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Again, you can see one sin theta minus cos theta is common. That is again cancelled. That is this one and this one can be cancelled. That is, the expression can be simplified as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, you all know that is 1. 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This can be again written as 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Here this whole divided by cos theta sin theta means you must divide 1 by this expression and this expression also by cos theta into sin theta. So can see what do you get? 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. That is, this expression is 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta plus 1. This can be cancelled. So it is 1 by cos theta means it is sec theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus 1. Okay. Hope you followed this. This is one lengthy expression, but it will be interesting, isn't it? If you know well, you can reduce some more steps from each. Without writing this step, you can go for this because you can do it in mind. This calculation or this simplification can be done very easily. So no need of writing this step. You can directly go to this. Okay, like that you can reduce the steps. And the same problem can be done converting tan theta, this cot theta in terms of tan theta. That is, this cot and this cot can be converted in terms of tan and can be proved. That you can try. Okay. Now let us do the second question. Prove that 1 plus ck by ck equal to sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So let us take the LHS left hand side as LHS equal to 1 plus ck divided by sec a. Now this also we write in terms of cos, that is 1 plus 1 by cos a divided by 1 by cos a, that is simplify 1 into cos a is cos a plus 1 divided by cos a by 1 by cos a. Now take the reciprocal, cos a plus 1 by cos a into cos a by 1. This cos a and cos a getting cancelled. This will be cos a plus 1. If you simplify the RHS, you will be getting the same expression. Like that also you can prove. Then you can write LHS equal to RHS. That is, left hand side if you simplify, you get like this. Right hand side if you simplify, you must get like this. Then we can say it is proved. But here you can continue with this. That is, again we convert. We can say here cos a plus 1 by a plus 1 by 1. Now let us multiply. Here in the right hand side we have cos. Right hand side we have 1 minus cos a. So to get the denominator as 1 minus cos a, we multiply numerator and denominator with the 1 minus cos a. Because in the right hand side we have 1 minus cos a in the denominator. So now it is 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a. So it can be written as 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. Now 1 plus cos a into 1 minus sin a, we have 1 minus cos square a, because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, divided by 1 minus cos a, that is 1 minus cos square a, we know it is sin square a, divided by 1 minus cos a. That is what the RHS is. Now let us solve the third question. Prove that cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus cot a. Here, right hand side we have cosec and cot. So how we get cosec and cot from this cos and sin? We know that cos a by sin a is cot. and 1 by sin A is cosec A. So we divide each of this term by sin A. If you divide in the numerator by sin A, you must divide the denominator also with the sin A. So that is each of this term we divide by sin A. So let us write LHS as cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by sin A whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 by sin A. That is, each of this term we should divide by sin. That is, cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole divided by cos A by sin A sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. That is equal to, now cos A by sin A we get as cot A minus sin A by sin A it is 1 plus 1 by sin A it is cosec A divided by again cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. That is cos A by sin A cot, sin by sin 1 by sin it is cosec. Now again cos A by sin A cot, sin A by sin A 1 by sin A is cosec A. Now it is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we have the relation for 1, that is cosec square A minus cot square A. So let us rewrite like that. Substitute. We know 1 equal to, we know that cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So let us substitute here. We have cot A plus cosec A minus, in place of 1 we write cosec square A minus cot square A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now cot A plus cosec A minus, this is now A square minus B square. So let us put this in bracket. This can be simplified as A minus B into A plus B. That is A minus B into A plus B divided by denominator we write as it is. No change in the denominator. Now you can see here 1 plus cot A plus cosec A and cosec A plus cot A both are same. That is, here you can take common factor from these two expressions. That is cot A plus cosec A into, what is left over if you take this outside? It will be 1 left over minus, if you take this out, it will be cosec A minus cot A. That is here minus of cosec A minus cot A. So you should put in bracket divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now I can remove the bracket here. We have cot A plus cosec A into, here remove the bracket, 1 minus cosec A, minus of minus it becomes plus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now you can see this bracket and this expressions are same. 1 is there, minus cosec A plus cot A. All these terms are here also. So this one, this bracket and this expression is same. So this two can be cancelled. So that we get cot A plus cosec A. So this is what we need to prove. Yes, it is the right hand side of this expression. So we proved LHS equal to RHS. We started with this, that is divided each of this term by sign a, numerator as well as denominator. So we converted in terms of cot and cosec. Then after rearranging the terms, we substituted an identity for 1, that is cosec square A minus cot square A. Again, we apply the formula A square minus B square, A minus B into A plus B. We did not do anything with the denominator. Okay. Now we can take common factor, cot A plus cosec A is taken out. That is 1 left over here, 1 minus cosec A minus cot A, that is to be in bracket. Then cot A plus cosec A into, remove the bracket here, that is minus cosec A, minus of minus it becomes plus cot A. Now you can see these two expressions are same, so it is cancelled, cot A plus cosec A. Okay. Now we have the fourth question as, prove that root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to ck plus tan A. So these type of expression can be simplified by multiplying with the conjugate of the denominators. So let us see what is the conjugate of the denominator. So that is, we have the left hand side as square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So inside the root itself, we multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. Denominator is 1 minus sin A. The conjugate is 1 plus sin A. Now it is root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by A minus B into A plus B. That is A minus A square minus B square. 1 square minus, that is root of 1 plus sin A whole square means, okay, you can see here it is the numerator, square root of the numerator divided by square root of the denominator is 1 minus sin square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? It is cos square A. Now from the square root, if you take, that is square root of 1 plus sin A whole square is 1 plus sin A divided by square root of cos square A is cos A. So this is what the right hand side of the expression. Okay, proved. LHS equal to RHS. Let us see the question number 5. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Left hand side of the expression is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta whole divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Now we have sin theta common. So let us take sin theta common. So sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, from the denominator you can take cos theta outside. It will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we can see sin theta by cos theta, we come to the answer tan theta, okay? But this is to be cancelled. That is, we have to make any one of this, that is sin square in terms of cos square or cos square in terms of sin square. So it is equal to sin theta by cos theta, we know it is tan theta into 1 minus 2 into. The sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta whole divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is tan theta into 1 minus 2 minus we apply to the bracket, that is operate the bracket, apply minus 2 minus multiplying with the minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus, that is plus 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is tan theta into 2 cos square theta. We write first cos square theta. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So we get the same denominator. This bracket and this expression are same. So you can cancel. That is answer is tan theta. That is the right hand side of the expression. So we get LHS. We proved it as LHS equal to RHS. Yeah. We have taken sin theta outside, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then we change the sin square in terms of cos square, that is 1 minus cos square theta. And we get sin theta by cos theta here as tan theta. Now, when you remove the bracket applying with minus 2 or multiplying with the minus 2, it is arranged like this. So it becomes 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is getting cancelled. Okay. We have the sixth question here. Prove that. We have the sixth question here. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square equal to 7 plus tan square plus cot square A. So right hand side we have tan square and cot square. So we have to convert each of this expression to tan and cot, how it will be. So let us expand it by using A plus B the whole square left hand side. Left hand side equal to A plus B whole square is A square plus 2A into B plus B square. This is the expansion of sin A plus cosec A whole square plus next one is cos square A plus 2 cos A into sec A plus sec square A. Now this is the second bracket. A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Again A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is, here we get sin square plus cos square A. That is, combine sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A into, now we combine sin square A and cos square A. We get sin square A plus cos square A. This cosec is converted in terms of 1 by sin A. Then cosec square is 1 plus cot square A plus now it is 2 cos A into this expression, that is 2 cos A into 1 by cos A plus sec square A means it is 1 plus tan square A. Now sin square A plus cos square A, we know it is 1 plus sin A and sin A you can cancel and write 2 plus sin A and sin A getting cancels plus 2. Then cos A and cos A you can cancel and write 2 there. This 2 can be written here, plus 1 plus 1 again we get 2 plus cot square A plus remaining is tan square A. This is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the right hand side of the expression. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, we have sin A plus cosec A whole square expanded using A plus B whole square. This bracket also expanded using A plus B whole square. Now combine sin square and cos square. It is 1, 2 sin A. Cosec is converted in terms of sin A. That is 2 sin A into 1 by sin A. Then cosec square is 1 plus cot square A. Then 2 cos A into 1 by cos A plus 1 plus tan square A. The sec square is converted into 1 plus tan square A. Now 1 sin A getting cancels, 2. Here cos A getting cancels, that 2. Then 1 plus 1, 2 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Okay. Okay. Thank you.